Would all love to stop talking about it, so would you say the pandemic is over?
Well, WDRB's Dakota Sherrick tells us how Kentuckians answered that question and what some experts believe the results mean.
The Foundation for a Healthy Kentucky asked more than 800 adults that question. When it came to whether the pandemic is over in Kentucky, 65% said no. But when asked if they considered it to be over pertaining to their own life, 53% said yes.
I think that's just indicative of the fatigue people have been dealing with for the past 2 years. And, don't cast stones. We've all dealt with it and we're all dealing with it right now.
But U of L Health's Dr. Jason Smith says the pandemic is not over, with current positivity rates across the state near 20%.
That puts it about 1 in 5 and 1 in 4 people that would have this disease at any given time.
The University of Louisville's recent wastewater testing reflects a similar trend.
About 3 weeks ago, we hit the highest level we've ever seen since we started doing this work. So it really has been going up in these surges.
But fewer hospitalizations gives people hope for where things currently stand.
We appear to have gone through the worst of it. So people are not dying at the rates that they were dying. Most of the vulnerable people have been vaccinated.
It's for these reasons Foundation for a Healthy Kentucky's Ben Chandler isn't surprised by the results of their survey, in which more than half of Kentuckians feel, for themselves, the pandemic is over.
I mean, it ought to be clear to everybody, just by going out in public, that a sizable percentage of the people in Kentucky are behaving as if the pandemic is over.
Both the Foundation for a Healthy Kentucky and University of Louisville hope their respective work can continue to inform and educate about COVID and its impact.
It's hard to convince people, what the pandemic means to them or what it should mean to them, but I'm glad that we're part of a partnership with Metro Public Health to provide this level of vigilance.
Smith cautions against letting guards down too early as COVID continues to spread.
If we allow this to run rampant through the communities unchecked, it will eventually find someone that will die from this disease. And it may be a loved one, it may be someone you care about. It's not over. Continue to protect yourselves, continue to take care of your family and take care of those you love.
Dakota Sherrick, WDRB News.